Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Clarion Pointe Vidalia, Lyons West. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. The Clarion Pointe is located in the sweet onion capital of the world, just 2 miles from the Vidalia Onion Factory and Gift Shop. The Vidalia Onion Festival and Ladson Genealogy Library are 2 miles away. A fitness center is featured in the inn. Rooms include microwave, refrigerator, coffee maker, hair dryer, iron and ironing board. Hot tub suites are also available. A continental breakfast is provided. The property offers free high-speed internet access, free coffee, free local calls and free weekday newspapers. This hotel is 12 miles from Brewton-Parker College and 3 miles from Southeastern Technical College. The Vidalia Regional Airport and Meadows Regional Medical Center are located 1 mile away. A variety of restaurants and cocktail lounges are nearby. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.